What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Home and Entrepreneur. In today's video, I want to go over some easy to find items to resell on eBay. Now, one of the biggest struggles I find that other people have is they can't find those easy to find items, those things that should be in almost every single thrift store. So they walk in, they come out with absolutely nothing, and they make no money. That's a problem. In today's video, I want to go over and discuss 3 things you can find in almost any thrift store that are going to make you some money. So if you're ready, let's go. So before I jump into the video, I want to show you guys something really quick. Now, I just released for pre-order my newest guide. It's called Thrift Store Profits. You can see it right here. I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go check it out if you want to. Now, it is Thrift Store Profits. One of the things I do is I go over 67 profitable products you can find in your thrift store, start making money. But I also include some bonuses as well. As of right now, this guide doesn't go live to the public until October 14th. That is a Monday. So you have until October 14th to get 50% off using the pre-sale. All right. So if you want it, go get it. I'll put a link to this exact page. You can watch the video. You can read a little bit about it, what's included. Okay. See what's in the guide, and you can kind of go from there. The whole purpose behind creating that guide, I've been working on it for about a month, and the reason I wanted to put that together is because so many people have been asking, what do you sell in your business? How are you making money on eBay? And so what I decided to do is kind of pull the curtain back on my own business and show you the successful blueprint that I use to make money on eBay. So that's what's in the guide. If you're interested in it, go get it right now while it's on a pre-sale, because that is 50% off. Takes it from $47 all the way down to $23.50. So go get it right now. So let's get back to the video. I want to show you 3 items you can find. They're easy to find items you can resell on eBay. Look right here. I didn't type in Monopoly. I typed in Monopoly pieces. Here's the reason why. So many people decide to try to buy and sell completed game sets, which is great. You can make a lot of money doing that. But the problem is, how hard is it to find a completed game? One that has all the pieces, all the money, all the, everything, the instructions, the box, everything's in great condition. How tough is that? It's extremely tough. But you can easily find Monopoly pieces. Look at this. Okay? Let's say you go to a thrift store and you find a whole Monopoly set. Has the money, has the board, has all the pieces, but it's missing the instructions, and maybe the box is all dinged up. You could sell that, or you could try to piece it out and sell the money, the board, and the pieces separately. Okay? Because I guarantee you try to sell the Monopoly, this one's a Here and Now from 2006. Okay? Great game. I actually have that one. And no, I don't plan on selling the pieces. But if I were to do that, I could sell the money, I could sell the board, and I could sell the pieces all separately and probably make about $25 to $30 by selling it, separately on eBay. This right here, these pieces sold for $11.91. This is vintage Monopoly game pieces. Okay, sold for $2.50 for a bid and $3.09 for shipping. I guarantee you, if they were to buy it now, they probably could at least got $8.99, if not more, for this. Okay, hotels and houses. Okay, I guarantee they could have got more. The money probably could have got more. Okay, you gotta understand, you gotta ask for more. And this is one of the things I show inside my guide as well, the Thrift Store Profits Guide, is how do you get more money for the exact same stuff everyone else is currently selling? How do you do that? And I explain that inside the guide. Okay, you can see right here, just more pieces. Look at this. Just a bunch of different pieces. Okay, these are the cards. Cool, from 1998, the Golf Edition. Okay, this is one of the things I talk about inside the guide as well, is to go and get the collector editions. Okay, the special edition Monopoly games, because the pieces usually go for a little bit more than just the regular Monopoly. So look at this. Okay, so let's just say the Monopoly pieces, we sold it for $9.99. Okay, $9.99. Great. We didn't charge any shipping. The shipping cost was about $3. They're very easy to ship. Okay, they pretty much cost nothing. The item costs $1.99, and you make $3.41 profit. Not a lot, but it's still profit. The problem that I see a lot of people have is they walk into a store, think there's absolutely nothing in there, and they walk right out. Don't make any money. Make absolutely nothing. I would rather walk into a store and come out with a little bit of a task, such as splitting up the Monopoly pieces or taking the money, the pieces, and the board and selling it separately, taking 3 different pictures and being good to go, still make a little bit of money from that one day, than to walk into a store, walk right back out and not make a single dollar. I don't want to do that. I don't want to waste my time in that way, right? But here's one tip. If you guys find more profitable products, buy those ones. Do not leave the ones that are less profitable there as well. Buy those as well, but put those back into your kind of pile of death. Okay, the big pile sitting there in your garage or your attic or your wherever, your closet that you haven't gotten to yet. Put that stuff in that pile, and you can make it, to that point later to actually go through it, list it, and then hopefully sell it. Right? Here's another item that you can find in almost any thrift store. Guaranteed you can find it. I bet there's one right now in your local thrift store. It's a ceramic curling iron. I don't care if you're selling Conair, you're selling Revlon, it doesn't matter. Hot Air, it doesn't matter what the brand is. Ceramic can make you some money. Okay? Because I guarantee you, the thrift stores around you probably selling these for 99 cents up to $2.99. Look at this one, $11.50 for this guy. Okay? 1 1/4 inch ceramic curling iron. Pretty inexpensive to ship. Okay? You pack it up in some bubble wrap, maybe put a little bit of cardboard around it, stick it in a poly bag, send it off. Okay, you're good to go. Less than $5. Okay? Look at these ones. And these are very easy to look for because all you gotta do is flip them over and they're gonna have a model number on the back. Just type in the brand, Conair, and then type in the model number. That's all you have to do. You can go through these quick. Okay, it takes you about 15 to 20 seconds on each one. You flip through them. Okay, that one, that one, that one. You're good to go. You'll figure out which ones are profitable, which ones aren't. Plug them in, test them, make sure they work, clean them up, send them off. Okay, make some money. Okay, the better quality ones, they obviously sell for more. It's usually hard to figure out which ones those are at first, but I guarantee you, ceramic curling irons sell for a lot of money. You can also find flat irons, okay, straighteners, okay, those sell very well. Look at this, okay, look at this one, Absolute Heat, okay, ceramic, 38 millimeter digital, okay, $20 for a bid, $5 shipping. Look at that, there's money to be made here. All you gotta do is get out there and find it, right? Let me show you this. On average, okay, most of the curling irons or flat irons that I sell go for about 15 to 25 bucks. I'm going to show you the low end, so $14.99. So when I say 15, I'm talking $14.99. When I say 25, I'm talking $24.99, $24.95, somewhere around there. I don't go with flat numbers. If I sell it for $14.99, right there, don't charge anything for shipping. Shipping cost about $4 is normal, okay, 4 to 5 bucks. Okay, item cost $1.99, and I end up making, I do have an eBay store, and I'm a top rated seller, okay, so I make a little bit extra, okay, but here's the thing, just $6, $6.77, still great money, because it's going to take you, what, a few minutes to go through and find those different curling irons, and then you go through and you list it, and that takes you another 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes max, it doesn't take very long, okay, so you make $6 or almost $7 in like 8-9 minutes. That's still pretty good. That's more than most people will make for that time if they worked a regular job. The reason why I want to show you these different items, number one, is because they're out there. You can find them. Anybody can find these. Okay, there's so many of these items out there. Whether you go to a thrift store, garage sale, yard sale, flea markets, people will sell these things because to them they're not really worth anything. But to us as a reseller, they're worth quite a bit of money if you add them all up. Now, here's one of the things I go over inside my my thrift store profits guide is how do you get more money, but also one of the bonuses I put in there is how do you get the thrift stores to lower the price. On a lot of stuff that I buy, they're lowering the price by about 50%, so half. So instead of paying $1.99, I pay 99 cents by simply asking for a discount. And that's something you can do, and I show you how to do it inside the guide. Here's the next thing, a Disney mug. You've probably seen these, you've probably heard about them. Gary Vee talks about it, and he says it's mug life, okay? Which is cool, okay? Great little slogan. But this is what he means. Go and find Disney mugs, older Starbucks mugs. Disney, in my opinion, is absolutely best, okay? Look at this, okay? Right here, Mickey Mouse coffee mug, 4-inch tall, $9.35, $14.20 in shipping. Okay, here's a lot of two, $20, $13 shipping. Guarantee it's not costing $13 to ship those. Okay, $6.95, $4.92 shipping. I'd sell this one for a little bit more than $6.95. But you know, did what he did. Okay, look at that. $25 for Maleficent, whatever you call it. Okay, 1990 Sleeping Beauty Rare. Okay, so right here, vintage Disney. Okay, 1937, a clear glass coffee mug. Pretty cool, $13 shipping, $4.50 buy cost. You get the idea. $30, a rare Disney Gallery Princess dress mug. That's a pretty cool mug, 30 bucks. $5.66 shipping. This one sold for about 30 bucks as well. This one, that's a pretty cool one. Disney designer villains, Rapunzel mother. Yeah, this is great. Put a lot of keywords in there, which is another thing I talk about inside the guide. Going over keywords, SEO, how to put together and create or craft the perfect title, which is important to get sales. But those are all things that I show, right? So look at this. And I don't sell a lot of mugs. I'll be 100% honest with you. I don't sell a lot of mugs because they can break. Whether I break it, it gets broken in transit, or the buyer breaks it on accident, it can still come back and I lose money. So I don't sell a lot, but when I do sell rather expensive mugs. But let's just say $16.99 because that's about typical. $16.99 for a basic mug. $0 to ship it because they're not paying anything to ship it. It's free shipping. It costs you about $7 to ship it. $1.99 buy cost. And I make about $5.50 off that one mug. As you can see, there's money to be made in mugs. There's money to be made in the curling irons. And there's money to be made in Monopoly pieces. Those are three simple items you can find at almost any thrift store. And I guarantee it. So get out there. Go find those items. Go find the mugs. Go find the pieces. Go find the curling irons because I guarantee they're there. But if you have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. Go and get my Thrift Store Profits Guide. Guarantee you it will help you out. It will benefit you in some way, whether it's the bonuses or just looking at the 67 profitable products you can go find in your thrift store today. Right? But go get it right now. Until October 14th, you can get it at 50% off. All right? So go get it while there's a discount. But if you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.